Hello dear students, welcome back to our science online lesson by Duaa from Jihan College School. So let's see what we have today. What are earthquakes? Page 138 until page 145. There is a branch of earth science devoted to in studying earthquakes called seismology. Where do earthquakes occur? Most earthquakes take place near the edges of tectonic plates. Two plates can push toward or pull away from each other. They can also slip slowly past each other. As a result of this movement, numerous features called faults exist in the Earth's crust. What causes earthquakes? As tectonic plates push, pull, or slip past each other, stress increases along faults near the plate's edge. In response to this place, deformation will form, which is the bending or breaking of the Earth's crust, the change in the shape of rock in response to stress. Also, we have two types of deformation: plastic deformation and elastic deformation. Plastic deformation doesn't lead to earthquakes, but elastic deformation does lead to earthquakes. Rock can stretch further without breaking than steel can, but rock will break at some point. Think of elastically deformed rock as a stretched rubber band. Okay, let's see what's elastic rebound. The sudden return of elastically deformed rock to its undeformed shape. Let's see this figure. We have before earthquake. So this is the fault, or this is the earth crust, or earth layers we can say. So the first point says tectonic forces push rock on either side of the fault in opposite direction, but the rock is locked together and doesn't move. The rock deforms in an elastic manner. This is the original situation. Let's see after earthquake. When the stress is increased to a certain limit, rock slips along the fault and releases energy. So in that case, earthquake will happen. Okay. Earthquake zones. Earthquakes can happen both near Earth's surface or far from it. Most earthquakes happen in the earthquake zones along tectonic plate boundaries. Can you see this figure or this picture? This is the result of earthquakes. Earthquake zones are the place where the large number of faults are located. How do seismologists know when and where earthquakes begin? They depend on earthquake sensing instruments called seismographs. Seismographs are instruments located at or near the surface of the earth that record seismic waves, and the seismograph creates a seismogram, which is a tracing of earthquake motion. Epicenter. Let's see what's epicenter. This is the definition. The point on Earth's surface directly above an earthquake's starting point. Focus. The point along a fault at which the first motion of an earthquake occurs. So the first point or first motion, which is on the one point is happen, this point will called focus. Richter magnitude scale is a measures ground motion resulting from an earthquake to determine the strength of quake. Modified Mercalli intensity scale, a measure of the degree to which an earthquake is felt by people and the amount of damage caused by the earthquake. So this is the difference between Richter magnitude scale and modified Mercalli intensity scale. And this is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening and watching. If you have any comment or if you want to add any extra information, please send it to me. Good luck for all. Bye bye.